I'm free, I'm free. Gotta be real careful because most of this car is plastic. Like I said, there's the base. Real simple design as far as the wheels and everything. I got a different idea on wheels, we'll see. And you've got the plastic interior. Might do something a little different with all that. And what I've got to learn to do is multitask. I've got to learn to be able to do more than one of these cars at a time. So I've already got a car in there, but it won't hurt a thing. Now we're going to have two. People will take a pick and go in there and do that, and I will if it looks like it needs it. But that cleaned up really good, so I don't need to really worry about doing it. It's amazing how these things look after you get done hitting them with steel wool and everything. But there you go. There's that one finished as far as steel wool. Now all I got to do is wait on, I have the primer, but I've got to wait on the paint to come in. I could go down to Hobby Lobby and do it, but I have a gift card for Amazon, so I'm going to use that and be able to get my paint a lot cheaper. As a matter of fact, it's going to be free. Nice and black, huh? Alright, we've got the car all taped up the way we want it. Now we're ready for the second coat. You can see this is all that's gonna, everything else is gonna be a different color, so that's why we have it taped off like that. Alright, let's hit this with the secondary color. This thing's gonna actually have 3 colors on it, but we want to hit it with light coats to get something for the paint to stick to. We're not trying to cover it in one coat. Then we give it a couple seconds to flash, and we come back and hit it again with a heavier coat. Alright, we give it in a minute, come back and hit it with a more heavy coat. Double check everything, make sure the tape is down the way we want it. But there you can see the type of paint job we're going for. I think it's looking pretty good. What do you think? Now we just give it a day or two to dry, and then we can put on the next coat. Next coat's where you're going to see the magic happen. And here we go. Test spray. And we're just going to lightly mist it. Like I said, Createx says for you to build it up in light coats, so that's exactly what we're going to do. But you can see it already starting to take shape as the color. You can already see that red going on. Now all you have to do is decide how dark do you want it to go. Well, I'm going to put one more coat on that, and I think that bad boy will be done. What do you think? Look at how sharp that looks.